What to do if your LG phone is lost or stolen? If you are unable to locate your LG phone and fear it has been lost or stolen, there are two things you can do. First, you can try to locate your phone using the Google Find My Device service. To do this, go to android.com/find from a web browser. Sign into the Google account that is on the phone you are trying to locate. Once logged in, you should see the phone's location on the map, if available. If the phone is able to be located, you can make it ring, even if it is set to silent, to make it easier to find. You can also lock and/or erase the phone if the phone is stolen and you want to make sure your information remains secure. Note that if you erase the phone, you will no longer be able to track it, as your Google account will be removed from the phone. If you are unable to locate your phone because the phone is turned off in an area with no signal or not connected to a network, or if you are not able to retrieve your phone, the second option available is to contact your carrier and report the phone as lost or stolen. When you call your carrier, explain that the phone is lost or stolen. They can suspend your service, blacklist the phone so it cannot be activated with another carrier or account, and make sure you don't incur any charges on your account due to fraudulent activity. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.